The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. They use a follow-up yoga, the nature of which is our dominion and our wisdom, to look at things in the way of their purity of cause and result. They use the power of the samadhi of light to go to the level of Vajrasattva. They truly do achieve the fruition of their own level, but they have no ultimate fruition. All of these are paths for the world. We will not find the meaning of self-luminosity through a search. While in a state of non-duality, we cling to a duality. We wander on ahead through the state of self-luminescence. While we are free from causes and conditions, we look for causes and results. While in an uncontrived state, we contrive things with our graspings. While in a state that is not the be-travelled over, we travel along a path. We are one, but we hold to the duality of a self and others. All of these things obscure the meaning of wisdom. They make us fall into the three dominions of samsara. We abide in a solitary self-luminescence that subsumes everything. Regardless of what we look at, while we touch the dominion of self-luminescence, this dominion of the Dharma is free from the clingings that come with planetary concerns. We do not think of it for ourselves, and it does not think. Awareness is born instantaneously without our engagement. This is the definition of total clarity. It is perfect awareness. It does not stay anywhere. It goes everywhere. When our cravings are luminescent in this uncontrived dimension, we know that samsara is primordial Buddhahood. Compassion is not a topic for our ideas. It is naturally free of anguish. Its luminescence is pervasive. We do not engage in changing our intended object or our understanding. In the mirror of self-luminescent wisdom, we use a wisdom that is not associated with visualization or grasping. To enter into true contact in a single moment, that which does not abide abides in ourselves, and we ourselves cut through the objects that we visualize. Our awareness does not construct a support structure for grammar. We do not follow the trails of sensory objects. When we do not understand how this is, it does not matter how we may scrutinize it. It will not be that way. So he spoke. From the Great Tantra equal to the end of the sky, this is the 9th chapter. What is obscured by what?